If you feel that learning Spanish is getting a burden, that you are not improving as fast as you used to, or you keep saying to yourself that you can find enough time during the day, here we're going to give you 5 tips to learn without even trying, and most importantly, in an entertaining way. Number 1. Turn on the radio. While you are washing the dishes, having a shower in the morning, cooking, or waiting for the bus, just listen to any radio station in Spanish. The best programs are talk shows, news, or current affairs. This is a very good exercise for your listening skills and for your vocabulary. Number 2. En español. Change the settings of all your devices, mobile phones, tablets, computers, smartwatches, etc. And also your social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Google. You might feel a bit apprehensive at the beginning and you probably think it is rather confusing, but you will soon realize that by now you could operate all those devices even in any language. Number 3. Music. You will not have problems finding a singer or a band in Spanish that you like. It is also very easy to find videos with subtitles on YouTube and follow the lyrics as they go on. This is good fun and you will learn a lot of interesting expressions. Number 4. Films. Everybody knows that watching a film in Spanish with subtitles is good, although very challenging and exhausting. But not everyone realizes that at a certain level it could be even better to watch a film in English or your native language with the Spanish subtitles. Now, you do not need to pay much attention to follow the plot or the dialogues, and you are more focused on how to say the same things in Spanish. It really works. Number 5. News. Read the newspapers online. Just reading the headlines will increase your vocabulary since the language used is quite different to what you find in your textbooks. Besides, you can do that on your phone while commuting or queuing for coffee.